everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. This is Kirti and you're watching Easy English in Minutes. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about some idioms related to knowing and not knowing. Idiom number 1, knowing something inside out. Now what does that mean? That means knowing something in detail or knowing something thoroughly. For example, she knows the system inside out as she has worked in this company for 10 years. मतलब वो इस कंपनी का सिस्टम बहुत ही अच्छे से जानती है क्योंकि उसने 10 साल इस कंपनी में काम किया हुआ है. Another example, I'm going to ace this exam because I know the material inside out. That means मैं इस एग्ज़ाम को ज़रूर जीतूँगा क्योंकि मैं इसका मटेरियल बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ, यानी कि इसके अंदर जो कुछ भी आने वाला है मैं बहुत डिटेल में जानता हूँ. Another idiom, knowing one's stuff. Now what does that mean? That means having good knowledge of something. Now how do you use it in a sentence? When it comes to geography, he certainly knows his stuff. यानी कि अगर geography की हम बात करते हैं तो उसे इसके बारे में बहुत ही अच्छे से मालूम है. Another example, Aryan knows his stuff when it comes to Indian history. That means जब इंडियन हिस्ट्री की बात हम आर्यन से करते हैं तो उसे इसके बारे में बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से मालूम है. Next idiom, having familiar ring to it, means something that sounds familiar, something that you think you have seen or you have heard before. For example, that book's title has a ring to it. I think I have read it a long time ago. मतलब उस बुक का टाइटल कुछ जाना पहचाना सा लगता है. मुझे लगता है मैंने उसे काफ़ी पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. Another example, her name had a familiar ring to it. I thought I had met her before. उसका नाम मुझे कुछ जाना पहचाना सा लगा. मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं उससे पहले कभी मिल चुका था. Another idiom, rings a bell. That means having a fade memory, but you are not able to remember it completely or remember it exactly. It is very commonly used with names. For example, I'm not sure if I know her, but her name rings a bell. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं उसे जानता हूँ या नहीं, पर उसका नाम कुछ जाना पहचाना सा लगता है. Another example, the place he was talking about rang a bell, but I couldn't remember where I had read about it. यानी कि जिस प्लेस के बारे में वो बात कर रहा था वो कुछ जानी पहचानी सी मुझे लग रही थी. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैंने उसके बारे में कहाँ पढ़ा था. So these are the idioms that are used in sentences when you know something and when you want to express that you know something. Now let's talk about not knowing something. Idiom number 1, not having a clue, means not knowing at all or unable to remember something. For example, I don't have a clue how to use this camera. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता मैं इस कैमरा को कैसे यूज़ करूँ. Another example, I don't have a clue what I did with my old books. मतलब मुझे याद नहीं मैंने अपनी पुरानी किताबों के साथ क्या किया. Idiom number 2, not having the faintest idea. That means really not knowing at all. For example, I don't have the faintest idea where she lives. मतलब मुझे ज़रा भी नहीं मालूम कि वो कहाँ रहती है. Another example, he didn't have the faintest idea what she was talking about. मतलब उसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं मालूम था कि वो किस बारे में बात कर रही थी. Idiom number 3, not having the foggiest idea. That means absolutely not knowing or not understanding anything. For example, I don't have the foggiest idea what this switch is for. मतलब मुझे ज़रा भी नहीं पता है कि ये स्विच किस चीज़ के लिए है। Another example, I don't have the foggiest idea why he called me. मतलब उसने मुझे क्यों बुलाया मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता। Idiom number 4. Can't remember for the life means emphasizing that one can't understand or remember at all, and this is stated generally after me. For example, I can't for the life of me understand why you didn't think of it. मतलब मैं समझ नहीं सकता कि तुमने इस बारे में क्यों नहीं सोचा था। Another example, I just met that woman yesterday. But I can't for the life of me remember her name. यानी कि मैं उस औरत से कल ही मिला था पर मुझे ज़रा भी याद नहीं कि उसका नाम क्या था। Idiom number 5. Out of touch. That means something that you used to know, but you are not knowing the latest development in that case. Or when you no longer see or communicate with someone. At that time, this idiom can be used. For example, I'm a bit out of touch with computers these days. मतलब आजकल मैं computers को use नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे उसके बारे में नहीं मालूम है। Another example, I don't know if she still works there. We have been out of touch for a long time. मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या वो अभी भी वहाँ काम कर रही है क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम से उससे बात नहीं की है। Idiom number 6. Not ringing any bells means when something seems to be unfamiliar or thought to be never heard before. This is very commonly used with names. For example, my sister was talking about an actor, but his name didn't ring any bells. मतलब मेरी बहन किसी एक्टर के बारे में बात कर रही थी पर मैंने उसका नाम कभी नहीं सुना था। Another example, I don't think I know him because his name doesn't ring any bells. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता मैं उसे जानता हूँ क्योंकि उसका नाम मुझे जाना पहचाना नहीं लगता। So these were some idioms related to knowing and not knowing. You can use any of these while communicating with others and it will help you out in improving your English. So try to use these in your conversation when you next time talk to someone. If you find this video beneficial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye, take care.